I welcome you all. Today we are going to discuss exercise 1, multiple choice questions. 4 possible answers are given for the following questions. Take the correct answer. First one is, standard form of quadratic equation is. We all know that what is the standard form of quadratic equation? It is ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0 and a not equals to 0. This is the general form of quadratic equation which we will discuss at the first page of your chapter number 1 in definition. So the correct answer is ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0 and a must not equals to this one, b. The number of terms in a quadratic equation. Okay, how many terms are there? Term number 1, term number 2, term number 3. There are 3 terms in the quadratic equation. The number of methods to solve a quadratic equation. We all discuss about the methods that how to solve the solutions of quadratic equation in chapter 1. First one is by factorization, then by completing square method, and the third one is by quadratic formula. So there are 3 methods to solve a quadratic equation. The quadratic formula is, we also derive this formula which is on page number I think 5, and it is the formula topic is 1.3. okay, you can review that topic. That formula is x equals to minus b plus minus square root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a, which is this. 2 linear factors of r. This is a quadratic equation. Just you can make factors or you can apply quadratic formula or anything else. The factors you will get after applying formula is positive 7 and minus 8. Okay, if I am going to apply a quadratic formula on this, we get these 2 factors. Okay, I will solve this for you so the concept will be clear. This is x square minus 15x plus 56 equals to 0. So a is 1, b is minus 15 and c is 56. Apply the formula to find the roots, to find the linear factors for this. Minus b plus minus square root b square minus 4ac. Okay, 2a, x equals to 15. Okay, equals to minus 15 plus minus 1 by 2, that is minus 15 plus 1 by 2 and minus 15 minus 1 by 2. This becomes minus 14 by 2. And the second is minus 16 by 2. You will get 7 and 8. You will get 7 and 8. These are x equals to 7 and x equals to 8. But you notice in MCQs, these are not after equal sign. These are before equal sign. So we can write it as, if I'm going to shift 7 to the left side, it becomes minus 7 and this becomes x minus 8. So x minus 7, x minus 8, the C option is correct. C option is correct. There is a positive sign. Okay. An equation remains unchanged when x is replaced by 1 over x. We know that when there is a equation, if you are going to change x with 1 over x, that is a reciprocal equation. An equation of the type, which type of equation is this? When exponent, just focus on the exponent, when variables occur in exponent, then that is a exponential equation. The solution of the equation. Okay, what is the solution of this equation? Let's solve this. What is the solution of this equation? The equation is 4x square minus 16 equals to 0. Just take common 4, which becomes x square minus 4 equals to 0. This is x square equals to 0. Just take square root on both sides, you will get plus minus 2. That means okay, plus minus 2. So the roots of the equation is plus minus 2. C. Always write your solution in the form of solution set. Okay, when you are going to write any solution set, you will use these type braces. Okay, you will use these braces. So that's why the C option is correct, this is not correct. Any equation of the type is called n. 2x4. This equation is this is the last type of the equation which we were discussed, that is a reciprocal equation, or whenever there is a reciprocal equation, it is of that form: a is 2, x4 minus 3 is b, 7 is c. The reciprocal equation is in the form reciprocal equation. Write the short answer. Solve. C. X equals to minus b plus minus square root b square minus 4a c divided by 2a. Okay, just make some simplifications. You will get minus 1 plus minus square root 3. So the solution set is minus 1 plus minus square root 3. Okay, solve by factorization. Its second one is solved by factorization. Question is 5. X square equals to 15x. 5x square minus 15x equals to 0. Just take 5 common. In x, 5x, x minus 3 equals to 0. This becomes x equals to 3. So the answer for second part of question 2 is 3 and 0. When you write 5x equals to 0, you will get 0 from there. So the solution set is 0, 3. Clear? Write in standard form. What is the standard form of this? 1 over x plus 4, 1 by x minus 4 equals to 3. Just take LCM. X minus 4 plus x plus 4, x plus 4, x minus 4, which is equals to 3. So this becomes 2x equals to 3 into, just multiply the two terms which are in the denominator, you will get x square minus 16, x square minus 16. Okay, this becomes 3x square minus 48 minus 2x equals to 0. So the standard form for this is 3x square minus 2x minus 48 equals to 0. This is the standard form. Clear? Okay, write the names for the methods for solving equation. Okay, well, there are three methods to solve the quadratic equation: by factorization, by completing square method, and by quadratic formula. The answer is these are three methods of solving a quadratic equation, which are as follows: first one, factorization method; second one, completing square method; and the third one, using quadratic formula. Okay, five part is solve two x minus 1 by 2 square equals to 9 by 4. You are going to solve this. Okay, step number 1, just eliminate the square. Take square root on both sides, you will get something which is in simpler form than this. Okay, take square root on both sides, you will get 2x minus 1 by 2 square root cancel, and square root of 9 is 3 and square root of 4 is 2, and there is plus minus. Just separate the variable, you will get something 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2, which is x equals to, just divide the 2 on this, 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4, that means plus 3 plus 1 by 4, and the second is minus 3 plus 1 by 4. You will get x equals, okay, x equals to plus 3 plus 1 4, 4 divided by 4 1, and the second is minus 3 plus 1, which is minus 2, and minus 2 divided by 4 is minus 1 by 2. So the solution set is 1 and minus 1 by 2. Solve 3x plus 18 3x plus 18 equals to x. Again, take square on both sides, then you will get the simple form, which is 3x plus 18 equals to x square. This becomes x square minus 3x plus 18 equals to 0. This is a quadratic equation. Just apply formula, or you can do this by factorization. The factors are 6 and 3, because AC is 18 and there is 6 and 3. Minus 6 plus 3 are the factors. You will get 6 and minus 3. You can also apply formula. So the solution for this is minus 3 and 6. Just do this by yourself. It is very simple. Okay, minus 3 and 6. Okay, next, define quadratic equation. What is quadratic equation? We all know that the Bose equation, Bose highest degree is 2. This is called a quadratic equation or a second degree equation. This is the definition is at the start of your chapter. Then define reciprocal equation, exponential equation, radical equation. Reciprocal equation, exponential equation, and radical equation. All these definitions are in, we discussed all these definitions in our previous lessons in detail. Okay, Filling the blanks. The standard form of quadratic equation is what? What is the standard form of quadratic equation? Ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. The number of methods to solve quadratic equations are 3. The name of method to derive a quadratic formula. Which method is used to solve the quadratic formula? Completing square method. We use completing square method to solve the quadratic completing square method to solve the quadratic, to derive the quadratic formula. The solution of this equation is, what is the solution of this equation? When we use this equation and derive the quadratic, apply completing square method, we will get a quadratic formula. The solution of this equation is quadratic formula, which is x equals to minus b plus minus square root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Okay. The solution set of 25 x square minus 1 equals to 0 is what? Okay, I am going to solve this here. 25 x square equals to 1. X square equals to 1 by 25. Just take square root on both sides. You will get plus minus 1 by 5. So the solution set for this is plus minus 1 by 5. Okay. An equation of the form is called, when a variable occurs in exponent, we call this type of equation a exponential equation. Exponential equation. Okay. Solution set of this equation, x square minus 9 equals to 0. What is the solution set for this equation? Just x square equals to 9. Take square root on both sides. X equals to plus minus 3. So the solution set for this equation is plus minus 3. A type of equation is called, we discuss it, reciprocal equation. Reciprocal equation. A root of equation which do not satisfy the equation is called dash root, extraneous root. We discuss this in exercise 1.3. An equation involving impression of the variable under dash is called a radical equation. Wo's equation, which is written like this under radical sign, is called radical equation. So an equation involving impression of the variable under which sign? Under radical. Under radical is called a radical equation. Okay, now there is some summary of the chapter. An equation which contains the square of the unknown variable but no higher power is called the quadratic equation or equation of the second degree. This is the definition of quadratic equation. A second degree equation in one variable in x is ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. This is the quadratic equation, second degree equation in one variable, where a not equals to 0, a, b, c are any real numbers and is the general or standard form of quadratic equation. An equation is said to be reciprocal equation if it is remains unchanged when x is replaced by 1 over x. Remember one thing, reciprocal equation is that when there is no change in the equation, if you are going to replace x with 1 over x. And exponential equation is that equation in which variables occur in exponents. An equation involving expressions under the radical sign is called a radical equation. Next one, there is a formula which is given, quadratic formula, and at last there are the methods which are used to solve the quadratic equation. These are three methods: by factorization, by completing square method, and by quadratic formula. This is the end of your first chapter, quadratic equations. Okay, if you have any query, you can ask in comments. In our next class, we are going to start chapter number 2. Thank you. I welcome you all. Today we are going to discuss exercise 1, multiple choice questions.